students, today you will learn about counting formula. I have this attendance here. P stands for present, A stands for absent. I have these students and these are their attendance. So I want to count the attendance, or I want to count the present and absent made by Mike. I want to count the present and absent made by Hudson, Lily, Christian, Bob, James, George, Oliver, James, Oliver, Maria, Sophia, Michael, and Ray. So I want to find out the presents. I want to count the total number of presents made by Mike, and I also want to count the total number of absents made by Mike. So let's find out the total number of presents. First of all, in order to use counting formula, what is counting formula? Counting formula counts the number of cells. Counting formula counts the number of cells in a given range. In a given range or array. It's also called array. Counting formula counts the number of cells in an array or a that given range that meet the condition. Counting formula counts the number of cells in a given range or in a data set that meets the given condition. First of all, enter is equal to sign, then type COUNTIF. Select this range. Now I want to find the total number of presents. So select this whole range, press enter, enter quotation marks, then type P. P stands for presents because I want to find out the total number of presents. Bracket close and hit answer. The answer is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So Mike has 4 presents. Now let's find out the total number of absents made by Mike. Enter is equal to sign, type COUNTIF. COUNTIF, select this range or array or data set, enter comma. Now I want to enter quotation marks. I want to find out the total absents made by Mike. Enter A. A stands for absent. Bracket close, hit enter. The answer is 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1 absent, 2 absent. Mike made 2 absents. Now let's find out the total number of presents and absents of Hudson. First of all, type is equal to sign, then type COUNTIF. Select this whole range of cell or data, enter comma, then select A. Put quotation marks, then select, then type A, bracket close and hit enter. 2 presents. Sorry, it's making mistake. Sorry. It's not A, it's P. Sorry, I want to find out the total number of presents. Sorry, not absents. So enter P, hit enter. 4 presents. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hudson made 4 presents. Now let's find out the absents made by Hudson. Enter is equal to sign, type COUNTIF. Select this range of cell or array or data set, enter comma. Now enter quotation marks, type A, because this time I want to find out the total number of absents made by Hudson. Bracket close, just hit enter. The answer is 2. 2 absents of Hudson. 1, 2. And 4 presents of Hudson. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 presents and 2 absents. 1, 2. Let's find out the total number of presents of Lily. Put is equal to sign, type COUNTIF. Now let's this whole range of cells or array, enter. Now enter quotation marks, type P, because P stands for present, because I want to find out the total number of presents made by Lily or total number of presents. Bracket close and hit enter. The answer is 2. Lily has two presents only. 1, 2. Now let's find out the absence made by Lily. COUNTIF. Select this data set or array, enter comma, enter quotation marks. Now this time type A. A stands for absent because I want to find out the total number of absents made by Lily. Just hit enter. The answer is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can also find out the presence and absence of the remaining students. Just you have two options to copy the whole formula. In order to save time, just click on this cell and select copy, then select this whole range of cell and press Ctrl V or type paste. Just press Ctrl V. Now we have got an answers of all these cells. Bob 4 presents 1, 2, 3, 4, and James 5 presents 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can easily got all the answers just by copy the same formula. Now for example I want to copy this formula to the remaining fields in order to save time or reduce efforts. Just copy just right click on this cell, then select copy. Now and select this all range and press Ctrl V. Just press Ctrl V. So I got all the answers within a second. So it saves time. 4 absents 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 absents 1, 2. James 1 absent 1. George 2 absents 1, 2. Jimmy 2 absents 1, 2. Oliver 1 absent 1. Maria 4 absents 1, 2, 3, 4. Sophia 4 absents 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 presents 4 absents. 2 presents 4 absents. Michael 3 presents 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 3 absents. 1, 2, 3. 3 presents and 3 absents. Now Andre 4 presents. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2 absents. 1, 2. So we can use COUNTIF formula to count the total number of presents and absents. So it's a very good feature in MS Excel. So I easily found the total number of presents and absents of the students by using COUNTIF formula. Thanks for watching.